To process by canning, the recommended method depends on the acidity of the food you're preserving. Take a look at this chart of high, borderline, and low acid foods. Let's match these foods and their acidity levels with the best method of canning. High acid foods, including acidified foods, can be safely canned using the boiling water bath or the atmospheric steam canning methods. This includes things like most fruit, jams and jellies, fermented items, and acidified foods. Low acid foods need to be pressure canned. This would include most vegetables, meat, poultry, seafood, prepared foods, and foods that are mixtures of high and low acid foods like soups. Some foods like tomatoes, figs, and Asian pears are borderline in acidity and may or may not be acidic enough to prevent the growth of bacteria. With these foods, you need to add acid to them to be sure. To prevent any chance of botulism, tomatoes and tomato products, figs, and Asian pears need to be acidified with bottled lemon juice, 5% vinegar, or citric acid. If properly acidified according to an approved recipe, these borderline foods can be safely processed in a boiling water canner or atmospheric steam canner. It's worth noting that there are two types of peaches, white and yellow, and they have different pH values. The more common peaches have yellow flesh and, like most fruit, are high in acid. White-fleshed peaches, on the other hand, are not as acidic. You will notice that white peaches are not on the chart. This is because there are currently no research-tested methods for canning them. Freezing is the only recommended method for preserving white peaches. Elderberries are another fruit that cannot be safely canned. Elderberries can be frozen or dried for preservation. Just remember, low-acid foods do not have enough acidity to prevent the growth of Clostridium botulinum bacteria, whereas high-acid and acidified foods do. Knowing the pH value of the food will help you determine the best processing method.